Okay. So again, reasoning type question. So question is, account for the following. You need to give the region. Aromatic carboxylic acid. Okay. Good morning, everyone. So aromatic carboxylic acid do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. What is aromatic carboxylic acid? So this one is your benzoic acid, benzene ring with COOH. Right? So aromatic भनेपछि your benzene ring and carboxylic acid COOH. So हामीले अर्को question what we can say is like benzoic acid do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. ठिकै छ? Now question तिमीहरूको answer अब के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि Friedel-Crafts reaction मा तिमीहरूको के छ? Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, so what we use here is aluminium chloride. ठिकै छ? Okay, so के छ तिमीहरूको like what we use here is your aluminium chloride. Right? Now your जुन चाहिँ aluminium chloride, now it will like this will have the tendency to form with this carboxyl group. Right? So त्यसले गर्दाखेरि whatever adduct that it is going to form, so that is like strong deactivating group. Okay, and further like your Friedel-Crafts reactions will not take place. So that is number one reason. Orco reasons are like your carboxylic group which is attached to benzene ring again. I know, so this is electron withdrawing in nature. So for this region, what again it do is like it will deactivate Timro this benzene ring towards Friedel-Crafts reaction. So Friedel-Crafts reaction actually what is it? Vandakiri? So your electrophile, okay, so electrophile timro plus when we are doing alkylation, so your alkyl group, let's say methyl group, you know, electrophile will come and like attack your benzene ring. Now timro ke huncha bhandakiri like this is electrophile and what it needs is like electron rich center. यसलाई के चाहिन्छ इलेक्ट्रोन रिच सेन्टर चाहिन्छ जहाँ बेसी नेगेटिभ स्पिसिस छ हैन जहाँ नेगेटिभ चार्ज बेसी छ त्यहाँ गएर यसले के गर्छ युजुअली अट्याक गर्छ नाउ बिकज अफ प्रेजेन्स अफ इलेक्ट्रोन विथड्रइङ ग्रुप अब यसले के गर्छ इलेक्ट्रोन तान्छ COH ग्रुपले ओके नाउ COH ग्रुप लाइक यसले के तान्छ इलेक्ट्रोन तान्छ सो तान्दाखेरि के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि तिम्रो जुन चाहिँ इलेक्ट्रोन डेन्सिटी छ okay so electron density around this benzene ring यो के हुन्छ घट्छ तिम्रो नेगेटिभ चार्ज हैन नेगेटिभ सेन्टर न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सेन्टर के गर्छ घट्छ so because of this excuse me because of this like electrophile लाई okay electrophile लाई start गर्नु like attack गर्नु के पर्छ साह्रो पर्छ so like this electron withdrawing usually deactivates okay your ring towards electrophilic attack ठिकै छ त्यसै अर्को चाहिँ यो एडक फर्म गर्छ अगेन इट फर्म इज लाइक जुन चाहिँ एडक फर्म गर्छ लाइक दैट इज स्ट्रङ deactivating group so at the end what happen is like your aromatic carboxylic acid or benzoic acid do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction बुझ्यो होला now next question छ तिमीहरुको pKa okay so value of 4 nitrobenzoic acid is lower than that of benzoic acid. So, timro pKa value. So, first you should know what is pKa. Okay. So, pKa, you know very well what is pH, right? So, pH is like minus log of concentration of H plus ion. Okay. So, you know this very well. So, similarly, this pKa is like minus log of Ka. Okay, sir. So pKb भनेपछि पनि what is it? It is like minus log of Kb, हैन? So you like what is Ka भन्दा so it represents dissociation constant. Suppose in the acid, whenever we talk about acid, so acid के हुन्छ? It will dissociate and it will give like H H plus ion हैन so dissociate भएर H plus ion अब जति readily or जति easily it releases acid releases protein जति easily dissociation occur त्यति high will be your Ka भयो so तिम्रो like pKa अब जति अब like अब तिम्रो how this Ka and strength acidic strength depend भन्दा जति तिम्रो like H plus बेसी release हुन्छ okay higher will be your Ka value so it means your like a Ka more Ka means more acidic okay more acidic or more basic हुन्छ ठिकै छ हैन Ka or Kb अब तिम्रो like now how this Kb is related to acidic strength sorry this Ka is pKa is related to acidic strength so we can see the relationship so Ka pKa is minus log of तिम्रो यो जुन चाहिँ Ka को value हैन जति increase हुन्छ since negative sign is there so whole value के हुँदै जान्छ घट्छ okay or pKa घट्छ so that means like तिम्रो more Ka भयो भने के हुन्छ तिम्रो less pKa okay so less pKa भन्नुको मतलब के हो more Ka so more Ka means like more acidic so in other words what we can say is like the acidic strength increase huncha okay so that means pKa value will decrease or when the acidic strength decreases in the pKa value के हुन्छ यो increase huncha first you should know this so how this acidic strength is related to pKa right so त्यही हो acidic more acidic strength means less your pKa value less acidic strength means more pKa value अब question छ तिम्रो what is the question is like 4 nitro benzoic acid okay so benzoic acid is this one 4 means this position what group is there nitro group is there right now अर्को छ benzoic acid so what is the question pKa value okay of this one is pKa of this is lesser than pKa of benzoic acid so अर्को wordमा what we can say is like which is more acidic तिम्रो more acidic okay so 4 nitrobenzoic so you need to prove or you need to explain so this 4 nitrobenzoic acid is more acidic than benzoic acid right so simple question simple sir first you need to understand what questions really demand भयो so तिम्रो यहाँ prove गर्नु you need to explain why this 4 nitrobenzoic acid is more acidic than the benzoic acid अब acidic strength तिम्रो depend गर्छ the ease with which is भनौँ the ease with which this your acid releases H plus ion है अब दुईजनामा कसले छिटो release गर्छ जति easily release गर्छ that will be more acidic in nature now here what we can see is like NO2 group is there now what is NO2 group it is like electron withdrawing group right so it will show like minus I effect so electron withdraw गर्छ so then यो कार्बनले withdraw गर्नु थाल्छ so यो कार्बन again यो कार्बन then like यो कार्बन हैन this is your COOH भनौँ है so यो कार्बनबाट तान्छ then यो जुन चाहिँ छ यो अक्सिजनको बाट तान्छ now यो जुन चाहिँ OH bond छ now if you can see here because of presence of this electron withdrawing group okay तिम्रो ultimately what is happening is like यो जुन चाहिँ यता यो oxygen बाट तान्छ oxygen चाहिँ again अब hydrogen को बाट तान्नुपर्छ as because oxygen is more electronegative right so what we can see here is like electron density around this OH bond okay is less dense because of presence of electron withdrawing group again electron withdraw गरेर nitro group so ultimately तिम्रो OH okay जुन चाहिँ electron density around this OH bond will decrease so will decrease means like it will become more and more polar so your more negative huncha ya your more positive huncha so more polar means it is easy to break the bond okay sir so bond jati easily break garcha so that means you will easily get H plus ion so again very simple reason is very simple because of presence of this nitro group which show minus which exhibit minus I effect okay it lowers the electron density around the OH bond Okay, so because of that, the bond will become more polar and become like more easy to break it, right? So that means more easily H plus ion will release. So that means more acidic, right? So question like answer is very simple. So question मात्र अलिकति बुझ्नुपर्छ. So what is like pKa, pKb? यता मैले गरिदिएको छु like pKe is minus log of Ka, where Ka is your dissociation constant. Now presence of electron withdrawing nature, right? Your NO2 group so it will show like minus I effect minus R effect of NO2 group in benzoic acid make OH bond of COOH more polar and hence loss of proton become more easier. Hence तिम्रो Ka of nitrobenzoic acid ज्यादा हुन्छ र consequently pKa value less than that of benzoic acid. बुझेन भने you can like ask me anytime. Now next question छ account for the following. Okay, so like this your कति छ 1 to 2 chloro ethanoic acid. Okay, and अर्को छ ethanoic acid. So this is stronger acid than this one भन्दैछ. So अघिको same question. So you need to like तिम्रो acidic strength like suppose तिम्रो कुनै पनि एउटा group छ है like तिम्रो acidic strength कुन show गर्छ carboxylic acid alcohol ले show गर्छ. Okay, suppose यहाँ तिम्रो electron withdrawing group is present. Okay, electron withdrawing group. The electron withdrawing group every time increases the acidic strength. यो याद राख्नु ल किन तिमीलाई अर्डरमा याद चाहिन्छ यो increases acidic strength. त्यो तिमीलाई अहिले भर्खर किन भनेर तिमीलाई अहिले भर्खर I have explained you, right? The electron withdrawing group what it do is like it will decrease the density around OH bond. Okay, electron density around OH bond make it more polar and more easier to like release proton. Yeah. And if like same if electron donating group is present, okay, if electron donating group is there, electron donating group, then this one become like less acidic, acidic strength के हुन्छ decrease हुन्छ. Okay, why? अब electron donating group it will show like plus effect electron दिन्छ. कार्बोनिल होइन कार्बनलाई फेरि अगेन यसले पुश गर्छ इलेक्ट्रोन टुवर्ड्स लाई फाइनली टु दिस OH bond. So what we can see here like revert हुँदैछ. Okay, electron density around OH bond के हुन्छ now increase हुन्छ. So increase making it less polar. Less polar means more difficult to break your OH bond. Okay, so this is the reason why like electron withdrawing group increases acidic strength. Okay, and electron donating group decreases acidic strength. अब बेसिक स्ट्रेन्थको कुरा गर्दाखेरि म अलिकति बताइदिइहाल्छु. सो तिम्रो इलेक्ट्रोन विड्रोइङ ग्रुपले नाउ डिक्रिज गर्छ बेसिक स्ट्रेन्थलाई जस्ट उल्टा इफेक्ट हुन्छ. ओके, एन्ड इलेक्ट्रोन डोनेटिङ ग्रुपले ओके इट इन्क्रिजेस द बेसिक स्ट्रेन्थ. त्यो याद राखिराख्नु. ओके, नो आन्सर इज भेरी सिम्पल. यहाँ सिएल इज देयर विच सो लाइक यता छ सिएल इज your electron withdrawing group which exhibit your minus I effect. Okay, and making your OH bond electron density around it less polar, more easier to break. Ultimately तिम्रो के हुन्छ this one will be stronger than acid than your ethanoic acid. ल यो याद राख्नु. इलेक्ट्रोन विड्रोइङ ग्रुपले एसिडिक स्ट्रेन्थ इन्क्रिज गर्छ, बेसिक स्ट्रेन्थ डिक्रिज गर्छ. इलेक्ट्रोन donating group decreases the acidic strength, increases the basic strength. यो तिमीलाई keep like you याद राखिराख्नु टेन्सन हुनु. Now next question छ carboxylic acid do not give reactions of carbonyl group. Okay, now what is carbonyl group? So this is your carbonyl group. Aldehyde ketone हुन्छ and it is also there in carboxylic acid. Okay, so this carbonyl group. अब तिम्रो carbonyl reaction भन्दाखेरि so you have a number of reactions जस्तै HCN, when it attack your carbonyl group, what you are going to get is cyanohydrin OH and CN. It will under the hydrazine, so like zinc react with the hydrazone group. These are like reactions of carbonyl compound. Okay, sir? Though this your carboxylic acid, though it contain this carbonyl group, but it do not undergo such reaction. यस्तो टाइपको रियाक्सन जान्दैन. क्वेसन सोध्दैछ why. ठिकै छ, बुझ्दैछ होला. Reason is very simple. Okay, so like तिमीलाई यता this has to be like how the reaction is taking place भन्दाखेरि O ले इलेक्ट्रोन तानेर लान्छ. Okay, O ले इलेक्ट्रोन तान्छ, so that तिम्रो O minus हुन्छ and this center will become positive. Your center positive हुन्छ, carbon center will become positive and oxygen center will become negative, and this is the reason why like carbonyl compound undergoes such type of reaction. Nucleophilic addition भन्छ. ठिकै छ, एडिसन रिएक्सन विल बी. अब यहाँ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिडमा के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि दो अब लाइक तिम्रो दिस इज your carboxylic acid. ठिकै छ, oxygen, okay, oxygen is polar, more negative, it will pull away electron toward itself. Okay, अब हुने बित्तिकै what you are going to get here is O minus and positive center आउँछ, but like oxygen तिम्रो adjacent मा what is there भन्दाखेरि OH group is there. Okay, now OH ले के गर्छ, lone pair यसकोमा छ र यो it will like neutralize the positiveness of carbon atom. It try to neutralize the positiveness of carbon through resonance. Right? So what you are going to hear is get here is like O negative, the carbon र oxygen को बीचमा double bond छ O and H. भनेपछि जुन चाहिँ positiveness छ, it is not only there in carbon but also it is like oxygen is exhibiting this thing. ठिकै छ, oxygen मा पनि के हुँदैछ, positiveness आउँदैछ, positive sign आउँदैछ. So that means तिम्रो यो purely like it is not electrophilic in nature. Right? Electrophilic character of carbonyl group decrease because of resonance with this OH bond, and because of this reason, so यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ के हुँदैन, like it will not undergo के अरे that reactions of carbon compound. So hope everyone are understanding, right? So you need to draw the resonating structure for this. Okay, so OH यहाँ lone pair छ, oxygen ले लान्छ, then यो यहाँ हुन्छ. What you are going to get here is O minus double bond O. This resonating structure you need to show, and answer I've already told you. Right? So carbonyl group did not show reaction of carbonyl. Why? Because of presence of lone pair and oxygen atom of OH group. The electrophilic character of carbonyl, carbon, so by resonance decrease in the electrophilic nature, and partial positive charge and carbonyl atom is reduced. You have seen your oxygen सम्म गएको छ, and therefore they do not show nucleophilic addition reaction. Now next electrophilic substitution. So बुझेन भने please है, electrophilic substitution in benzoic acid takes place at meta position. For this you need again draw the resonating structure तिमीले पाइहाल्छ. Okay, so electrophilic substitution means electrophile हैन, so electron seeking species ले अब benzene ring लाई attack गर्छ. अब electron seeking center लाई every time it needs is like electron rich center. Okay, अलिकति नक्साले resonating structure so you know like you can draw very well. बनाउन सकिहाल्छ तिमीहरू. आन्सर पनि त्यही छ. Okay, C double bonded O OH. Oxygen electron withdrawing in nature, so in turn carbon ले benzene ring बाट electron तान्छ. So we'll get here is like यहाँ तिम्रो double bond carbon को, then O negative, then OH. Okay, यहाँ तिम्रो like यो carbon ले electron lose गर्यो, so यहाँ positive center आउँछ. Again this one will try to neutralize this positive center adjacent bond ले. So resonating structure तिम्रो organic chemistry मा resonating structure चाहिँ एकदमै draw गर्नु सिक्छ, एकदम properly correctly clearly बनाउनु सिक्छ. यहाँ positiveness आउँछ किनभने यो कार्बनले इलेक्ट्रोन लुज गर्यो. Then again यो कार्बन को न्यूट्रलाइज गर्नको लागि adjacent bond ले like it will take part in resonance. So you will get is here double bond यता positive charge आउँछ. then CO minus OH. Now you positive like neutralize cursor oxygen को double bond here. At the end you get this uh, C double bonded OH and yeah. Okay, so this is the resonating structure. So एउटा दुईटा तीनटा चारटा and five. Okay, now तिम्रो electrophilic substitution means electrophile will come. Electrophile भनेको electron seeking species. Positive electrophile is your positive species. Electron चाहिएको हुन्छ. So it will attack to that center which is electron rich in nature. त्यो याद राख्नु. जहिले पनि electrophile will attack that center which is electron rich in nature. ठिकै छ? अब यहाँ हेर तिम्रो यो resonating structure 2, 3 and 4 मा where are like positive center तिम्रो कहाँ कहाँ छ अर्थोमा छ प्यारामा छ अर्थोमा छ भयो पोजिटिभ मिन्स यता इलेक्ट्रोन डेन्सिटी कम्ती छ पोजिटिभ मिन्स यसलाई पनि इलेक्ट्रोन चाहिरहेको छ भनेपछि कम्प्यारिटिभली लाइक पोजिटिभ तिम्रो सेन्टर कहाँ कहाँ छ भने अर्थो र प्यारामा कहाँ छैन मेटामा छैन सो भन्नुको मतलब लाइक अर्थो र प्यारा विच इज लाइक पोजिटिभ सेन्टर हैन भनेपछि मेटामा अलिकति के हुन्छ बेसी हैन comparatively like meta position will have slightly more electron density as compared to your ortho and para ठिकै छ सो त्यसले गर्दाखेरि नाउ इलेक्ट्रोफाइल कुन चाहिँ सेन्टरमा जान्छ जहाँ अलिकति बेसी भए पनि इलेक्ट्रोन हुन्छ सो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल will go to it will try attack meta position okay so every time electrophile try to attack that center which is electron rich in nature right? Which is electron rich in character, nature, जहाँ चाहिँ electron density basic छ. So यहाँ you need to draw the resonating structure. So the presence of electron withdrawing group होइन result in decreased electron density in ortho र para भनेपछि अलिकति बेसी कस्तोमा हुन्छ मेटामा as because of this okay electrophile will prefer to attack meta position rather than in O and P. So तिम्रो OH Cl alkyl group all are electron like so all are orthopara directing group the key na तिमीले resonating structure draw गर र you will get the answer right तिम्रो ortho र para position मा negative center हुन्छ त्यति बेला so negative means more electron र तिम्रो electrophile ले त्यो center मा गएर attack गर्छ ल but in case of benzoic acid benzaldehyde nitrobenzene को कुरा गर्दाखेरि तिम्रो मेटामा slightly बेसी electron density हुन्छ than that of ortho para. So यस्तो टाइपको लागि what you need to do is like draw the resonating structure. ठिकै छ resonating structure draw गर and answer it. Next question. Carboxylic acid are higher boiling liquids than aldehyde, ketones and alcohol. So if you are asked to arrange a boiling point of hydrocarbons of comparable mass, right? Suppose you have like CS3, CS3 ethane, then CS3, CHO, and CH3C ketone then COOH, okay, and CH3 CH2OH. This is your alcohol, carboxylic acid, aldehyde, hydrocarbon. So arrange गर भन्दाखेरि सबसे बेसी याद गर्नु carboxylic acid को हुन्छ. Okay, because of like strong hydrogen bond. Right, जुन चाहिँ carboxylic acid ले hydrogen bond form गर्छ that is stronger than the hydrogen bond formed by your alcohol. So सबसे बेसी हुन्छ तिम्रो carboxylic acid को so it will have like high boiling point त्यसको बादमा next छ तिम्रो alcohol okay त्यसको बादमा next is your aldehyde हैन ketone छ नि त्यसको बादमा हुन्छ र लास्टमा सबसे कम्ती हुन्छ हाइड्रोकार्बन इथरहरुको you should know this order and reason is very simple right यता मैले बताएको छु extensive association of your carboxylic acid molecule through intermolecular hydrogen bonding okay because of this reason it will have higher boiling liquids like a higher boiling point okay compared to that of alcohol ketones aldehyde of comparable mass बुझ्दैछ Yes, no, please respond. No need the way, Fidi. बुझे ना अंकिता, जिग्मी, Malina. Okay. Now next sa तिमीहरूको propanol is more reactive than propanone. अब त्यो the structure तिमीलाई चाहिन्छ. Okay. So what is propanol? Propanol is your CH3, CH2, CHO. And what is propanol? CH3, C double bonded O, CH3. So questions for this are like, this is more reactive, okay, than this one in nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction again बताए what happen is like, oxygen ले लान्छ, this one will become positive, हैन, के हुन्छ यहाँ, carbon will become like positive center, oxygen will become negative center, and nucleophile will easily attack this positive center, and addition product will form. ठिकै छ. So nucleophilic addition मा अब तिमीलाई के चाहिन्छ भन्दाखेरि like more positive carbon center. So तिम्रो जति positive center of carbon, positive carbon हुन्छ, nucleophile ले त्यति easily attack गर्छ. If it become more positive in nature, भयो, more easily reaction will occur. If the positiveness of this center decrease हुन्छ, भयो, reactivity पनि decrease हुन्छ, that you should know. अब हेर, so like तिम्रो यहाँ जुन चाहिँ छ, यहाँ like aldehyde मा what you have like CH3, CH2 र अर्को side मा H छ. This is your aldehyde. Okay. Now aldehyde ma like this is alkyl group and this is electron donating group. You know like alkyl group show plus I effect. यसले electron दियो, भयो. अब यहाँ तिम्रो when we talk about propanol, CH3 you have on either side of this carbonyl carbon. Okay. Then how many electron donating group are there? 2 electron donating. यहाँ कतिवटा छ, एउटै electron donating group छ. Okay. So like जति plus I effect ज्यादा show गर्छ, जति electron donating group ज्यादा हुन्छ, so like यसको positive charge लाई के गर्छ, neutralize गरिदिन्छ. ठिकै छ. So बेसी तिम्रो electron donating group छ भने के गर्छ, like positiveness of that carbon center के हुन्छ, decrease हुन्छ. This is your like propanol, CH3, CH2, H and C O minus गरिदिउँ, यहाँ positive गरिदिउँ, and how many are there? दुईटा. And like यता कतिवटा, so एउटा plus effect show गर्छ, यता दुईजनाले show गर्छ. भनेपछि in this case this positive charge is like more neutralized, हैन, is neutralized more than here. So त्यसले गर्दा positiveness यता कम्ती भएको छ, electrophilic nature यसको कम्ती भएको छ. So त्यसले गर्दाखेरि what will happen? This one is more reactive than this. Plus I effect of 2 CH3 group in propanol makes carbonyl group, okay, less electrophilic in nature, and hence propanol is less reactive nucleophilic addition reaction, and propanol where only one CH3 group is present. So last two questions ala. Okay. Now this cyclohexanone forms cyanohydrin. What is cyclohexanone? This is cyclohexanone. Cyclohexanone. भयो. र अर्को छ 2 3 अब cyclohexanone नै छ. Double bonded O. This is 1. Now 2 मा कतिवटा, तीनटा दुईटा methyl group and 6 मा एउटा. So cyanohydrin HCN सँग react गर्नु पर्यो, HCN सँग react गर्नु पर्यो, अघिको reaction नै हो. यहाँ तिम्रो के हुन्छ, O negative हुन्छ, यहाँ carbon positive हुन्छ, positive मा CN जान्छ, and what you are going to get here is like CN carbon मा and O मा गएर H आउँछ, you will get is cyanohydrin. So यसले cyanohydrin मजाले दिन्छ, यसले दिँदैन भन्दैछ. है, next one, second one. Very simple reason. So CN is your like negative species or negative nucleophile, हैन. So अब यसले यो form गर्नुको लागि it has to approach this carbon atom, यो carbon center लाई छेउमा जानु पर्यो, अप्रोच गर्नु पर्यो, देन ओन्ली इट विल फर्म ए बन्ड होइन. वेन दे टु आर क्लोज इनफ देन ओन्ली द बन्ड विल फर्म. अब यो छेउमा जाँदा वाट इट ह्यापन इज लाइक इट ह्याभ टु स्ट्रगल विथ दिस स्टेरिक हिन्ड्रेन्स भयो. अब यहाँ के छ, यहाँ पनि बल्की ग्रुप छ, यहाँ पनि बल्की ग्रुप छ, यहाँ पनि बल्की ग्रुप छ, एन्ड दिस अल ग्रुप आर नेगेटिभै हो. तिम्रो मोलिक्युल भन्ने बित्तिकै होइन, एटम भन्ने बित्तिकै नेगेटिभ चार्ज हुन्छ, बिकज इलेक्ट्रोन विल बी देयर. ठिकै छ. सो इलेक्ट्रोन अब यता नेगेटिभ छ, यहाँ पनि नेगेटिभ छ होइन, यता तिनवटा छ ग्रुप, यता नेगेटिभ छ. नाउ वाट इज देयर, लाइक इट विल नट एबल टु अप्रोच दिस कार्बन एटम मोर इजिली होइन. वाइ? बिकज इट ह्याभ टु अन्डरगो रिपल्सन विथ दिस बल्कियर ग्रुप. ठिकै छ. यो नेगेटिभ हो, यो तिनवटा नेगेटिभ छ. सो नेगेटिभ नेगेटिभको बिचमा रिपल्सन हुन्छ. सो रिपल्सन हुँदाखेरि वाट ह्यापन इज लाइक यो सिएनले यो कार्बनलाई अट्याक गर्नै सक्दैन. सो फर दिस रिजन अप्रोच चाहिँ गर्नु सक्दैन होइन, छेउमै जानु सक्दैन. मिन्स लाइक इट बिकम भेरी भेरी डिफिकल्ट टु यिल्ड your cyanohydrin product by 2 to 6 trimethyl cyclohexanone. Again, the presence of 3 bulkier group in this make approach of CN ion toward carbonyl group become difficult due to steric hindrance. Okay, therefore does not give cyanohydrin, whereas cyclohexanone give a good yield where such hindrance is absent. बुझेर very simple question answer. The steric hindrance को कुरा हुन्छ. कतिवटा छ म अलिकति मात्रै पढ्छु, because I think you have like less time. There are two, you know what is semi carbazide, बिर्सेको छ होला, म बताइदिन्छु. NH2, this is semi carbazide. Okay, now there are like two NH2 groups. So however, like only one NH2 group मात्रै involved हुन्छ in reaction. So के हुन्छ? So if you have like carbonyl carbon, okay, so out of two this one will form product. Okay, एकछिन है, भन त. को बडा? ए को बडा? ए ला त्यही त मलाई फोन आउँदै, म क्लास पो गर्दै थिएँ कि, यता उठाएकै छुइनँ नि फोनै. अहिले गर्नु पर्यो म त्यसो ल. Okay, so यता छ यो तिमीले गरेको छ, मैले त्यति बेला I've told you like out of this two only one will involve in the reaction and you'll get semi carbazole. So दुईजनामा कुन हो भन्दा यो nitrogen, so you'll get N, then NH2, then C double bonded O and NH2 पाउँछ. So यो मैले like reasoning question मा पनि यो आउँछ, I've already told you. ठिकै छ. अब question, अब answer किन, reason किन, so let us discuss. यहाँ जुन चाहिँ अब लाइक NH2 छ, so NH2 this is nucleophilic reaction only हैन. so तिम्रो के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि त्यहाँ लोन पेयर हुन्छ. so तिम्रो तिम्रो लाइक कार्बोनिल कार्बन हैन. so this is like positive center, positive सेन्टरलाई मोर नेगेटिभ सेन्टर चाहिन्छ, नेगेटिभ सेन्टरलाई मोर पोजिटिभ सेन्टर चाहिन्छ. so यो याद राख्नु, यो कुरा त्यही आउँछ. ओके, so तिम्रो यो लाइक कार्बोनिल कार्बन you know very well like it will acquire positive charge, अर्कोले नेगेटिभ चार्ज acquire गर्छ हैन. so positive लाई चाहिँ more like negative center or it will need a negative त छैन. here what is there is like lone pair. lone pair जति बेसी छ, जति easily like available for donation, okay, so त्यति easily the reaction will occur. Now, so here in this case out of two one will involve in resonance. Like just यहाँ के छ, this NH2 is bonded with this carbonyl carbon. Okay, what happen is like it will involve in the reaction. So oxygen electron तानेर लान्छ, this one will become positive, यो positive लाई neutralize गर्नुको लागि nearby nitrogen, okay, लेके गर्छ electron lone pair will use हैन. so what happen here is like you will get O negative र NH2 plus हुन्छ, then NH2 हुन्छ. so यहाँ के छ तिम्रो, अब यो सेन्टर तिम्रो के भयो, पोजिटिभ हुँदैछ. तिम्रो कार्बनलाई कस्तो चाहियो मोर नेगेटिभ अब यता लोन पेयर छैन इट अलरेडी इन्भल्भ इन द रियाक्सन सो फर दिस रिजन भेरी सिम्पल रिजन तिम्रो के हुन्छ दिस कार्बोनिल कार्बन विल अट्याक दिस नाइट्रोजन एज बिकज इट्स लोन पेयर के भएको छैन टच भएको छैन ओके it is not involved in any resonance so it is easily available okay for the attack electrophilic attack ठीक है सर so that's a lone pair on NH2 attached to carbonyl group are involved in resonance. So electron density around your NH2 decrease unta. It does not act as a nucleophile, but lone pair on other your NH2 maketa available for nucleophilic attack on carbonyl group to yield semi-carbazole. Okay. So again here you need to draw the resonating structure. यहाँ पर तिमीले resonating structure draw करा and explain it. Fine? Your simple resonating structure छ मजाले भन्दैछु so structure, electronic configuration, okay, like reasoning questions mark. If it is there, so you need to draw it. लेख्नु in order to get the marks. Fine? ठिकै छैन बुझेन सबैले so तिम्रो one of your NH2 group which is like bonded with carbonyl carbon will involve in resonance and the lone pair will not easily available for the nucleophile or for the reaction so त्यसले गर्दाखेरि अर्को NH2 मध्ये के गर्छ it will involve in the reaction and finally you will get semi carbazone using this NH2 group okay so this is all for today